morning. Good morning.
Good morning. We made it through the night, our first night in our Evolution 55 Free Spirit
rooftop tent. It was amazing, and it was really comfortable. Adding that extra 1.5 inch foam topper really did the trick. Some flannel sheets in there.
Oh yeah.
Good pillows,
Yep,
and
like
about
a baby.
10 blankets, which was actually way too much, and we didn't even use our heated blanket, electric blanket that we bought. We were so toasty and warm. We even like caused a bunch of condensation inside because it was so warm.
We got our heater going in it right now to help it out.
Oh, but
today we're heading north on 101 from, we're just outside of Garibaldi, and we are heading north up to Oswald West State Park. Check out some stuff there.
Go do some little hikes.
Yeah, get some seafood. Yeah. All right, let's get some coffee.
Yes, coffee time. Oh, watch out.
Oh.
All in all, a total of 1 minute and about 40 seconds.
All packed up.
Hey, nice sweatshirt. Sorry.
Let's go see the jetty.
All right, let's go.
All right.
And then can we go get some seafood because I am hungry.
Okay.
All right.
We are on our way to find Oregon's biggest cedar tree. We've gone off the boardwalk into the forest on the hunt for a tree. Oh, this is spooky. That's not it. Quiet. Don't tell me the other way was a boardwalk.
Oh my gosh. All right, so some statistics on this beautiful cedar tree here is that it's estimated to be between 500 and 900 years old, clocking in at 154 feet tall, making it the tallest cedar tree in the state of Oregon. And it has a 49-foot circumference. And then Rockaway Beach where this tree is located, opened up this boardwalk in June of 2019, so people of all mobilities can come and see this old growth cedar tree. There is a loop, so you can hike your way through a little bit of it, or you can take the boardwalk all the way and walk back. So we're gonna take the boardwalk back.
Oregon's largest cedar, done. Oh yeah.
That was a pretty little hike. Parking area is really small, so you do have to park on the street. I'm so hungry.
And after lunch, we are on the short trail down to Short Beach.
Oh.
Check it out. Maybe do a little bit more hiking, but we'll see. It's really beautiful here.
It is so beautiful.
Okay.
And that one, and that one.
Carry it back. Welcome to Short Beach. It's really short.
It's really pretty.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check out a waterfall.
Well, we can't get super close because, well, tide, but get as close as we can.
Coming in. That is it from Short Beach.
It
Beautiful.
may be a short beach, but it sure is beautiful.
On to the next.
Where are we going next?
She's okay. Round of applause. What? Oh, look at that. Fun.
Fun to see the beach.
We are at Hug Point. It's a point.
In between
It's hugging a point.
Nehalem and Cannon Beach.
Yeah, we're almost to Cannon Beach. That's so cool. jellyfish.
Alright, well that was our time at Hug Point.
Beautiful.
What a cool little beach.
I got wet feet.
Sneaker wave got him.
Whoops. I'm okay.
But it's beautiful. The beach rain started coming in, so everything clouded over. We would have had an awesome drone shot, but...
Yeah, storm's coming in.
And holy moly.
Oh. Came in love.
Alright, let's figure out where our next stop's gonna be and head on that way.
Well, if you ever come to Hug Point and you see our sticker, hit us up in the comments. Our car just miraculously went to Fort George Brewing in Astoria, Oregon.
How'd that happen?
I don't know. We ran at a coastline, so we went in.
So we had to stop and get beers?
Yep. Walking out. Look
What
who
do
we
we
found. Oh, yeah. I don't know if we can see it. Dangus! We found him again. That is it for the Oregon coast.
Such an amazing time. We saw so many cool things.
Yep.
And who knew like Oregon had some of the biggest trees? I mean,
Yeah,
yeah.
awesome.
Pretty cool.
Great time camping. We'll put the description of our earlier video
In the link
of
below.
yesterday's adventures in the link below. Yep.
Yeah, we had a great time. So thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Whoops.
Between 500 and 900 years old, clocking in at 154 feet tall, making it the tallest cedar tree in the state of Oregon. The boardwalk that we're walking on here.
Wow. We went to Fort George Brewing in Astoria, Washington.
Did you say Astoria, Washington?
Did I?
It's it. All right.
That is
Dang it.
it.
Why do I say that word all the time?
Take two. Bye.
Bah. Bah. Bah.
We're gonna go home and watch football and
Drink more Kentucky coffees.
Kentucky
What?
Coffees Part 2.
Part.
And some chowder legs.